Welcome to Maximize Your Life. I'm Dr. Peter Rios, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I am so excited that you have enrolled in our course. That is amazing. Give yourself a round of applause. You are here, and that is so important. You showed up. You said yes to the call. You said, I want to be better. I want to develop myself personally, professionally, spiritually. I want to take my leadership to another level so that together we can make this world a better place. Listen, I'm so excited for you, and I can't wait to share this journey with you. So it's going to be awesome. I hope that you're ready. There's a couple things that I wanted to share with you before you go into Module 1. The first thing is that we have a syllabus in this orientation module, okay? There's a syllabus, a course syllabus. I want you to read through that in its entirety. Why? Why would you want to do that? Well, because I need you to understand the flow of the course. That's going to help you to understand how to approach the course, what to do, and what to be ready for, okay? In each module, we have a key. So for example, Module 1 will be Key 1. You want to make sure that you are reading the chapters of the book, Maximize, 12 Keys to Unlocking Your Greatest Potential, right? Each module in the course matches a chapter or key in the book. So for example, Module 1, Education. And in the book, we talk about that, right? So you want to read each chapter before you go into the module and do the module work. So if you're watching one of my videos before you read the chapter of the book, you're actually doing it out of order. You need to read the chapter of the book that prepares you to then go into the course and do the module. I hope that makes sense, but you can always reach out by email. Make sure you do all the module material. Don't just watch my video and read in the first introduction page, but make sure that you are going through all the module material. Listen, I've got TED Talks in there. We put a bunch of incredible people, I'm calling them visiting faculty, right, for this course. They're put in there strategically and on purpose. Nothing was left to happenstance. We did not guess at this. We worked as a team to put the best content together for you. Each module having a section of the MAP, the MAP, the Master Action Plan. This is probably one of the most crucial components of this course, because in this course, we're inviting you, right, to get a journal. So please, if you don't have a journal yet, if you've never journaled, you're gonna invest, get a journal, get a notebook, get something that you could journal in. And this is gonna go along with the MAP. You're gonna use the Master Action Plan once you read it, you'll see what I'm saying. It matches each module and each key. These are the tools, the principles you're going to put in place so that you can actually have outcomes for the course. In other words, you're going to learn a lot, but then there comes a time and place where you have to put things you've learned into action, right? I hope you would agree. And that's what the MAP is all about. Now, there's many things that you can do in each MAP for each module or each key. Don't get overwhelmed. We're encouraging you just to do one or two things, okay? One or two choices from the MAP so that you can kick charge and work on that module and that key, okay? After you have finished Module 12, you will go into the bonus module, and there I will extend an invitation for you to contact me for a discovery call. Now, we're not going to talk about that now because that's in the end. But for now, just know that at the end of the course, you and I will be meeting for at least 25 minutes to a half hour. I hope you're excited, and I hope you're pumped up to get this journey started, to maximize your life and your leadership so that together we can make this world a better place. I'm Peter Rios, and I'll see you in Module 1.